Hi, it's me again with Corel Roll Tips and Tricks, and let's play with monstermacro.com e-cuts. While the other video is loading, I just made a video on how to put numbers into a box. I'm going to do a name tag. I've got some rounded corners. I've already made this text center justified, and that's very important. I've already picked my text size, and then I'm going to open up Monster Macro e-cuts, go down to variables, and I'm going to open my database. I think I made just like 12 names in a Word document. And then while that X is selected, select that X, which is your columns, assign a shape, then select them, the box and the text, and hit apply. In that short a time, you put names from a Word document that somebody sent you, so that way they're spelled correctly, they're in the center. And let's say you don't like that font. We'll just back up here and let's change this font to something noticeable. Let's go Bird of Paradise just to see what it looks like. Same thing. It's center justified. I don't think we have to open the database because we've already got it, but I'm going to go ahead and do it just in case. And then while that X is selected, select that X, assign a shape. Then select all this and apply. And in that short a time, and you could do this with hundreds of names. I just did it where they wouldn't all fit on a page. So Monster Macro made other pages. As you can see, they're still there. The numbers wouldn't fit. For 60, I think it's 60 bucks. I don't know. I haven't looked at a while. I've had this cut and pasted, but it's incredible. It'll nest, it'll multiply, it'll do a lot of stuff. It's pretty cool. I'm not trying to sell you it. I'm just telling you what's out there. Anyway, hope that helped a little bit. Thank you.